Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Arendelle, Queen Elsa received an urgent message from Princess Elena of Avalor. The message spoke of a powerful jewel hidden deep in the Sky Mountain. It was called the Ice Jewel of the Sky, a magical crystal that kept the seasons in perfect balance. But now, the jewel was missing, and strange things were happening in both Avalor and Arendelle. Winter storms suddenly appeared in Avalor, covering the warm kingdom in ice and snow. Meanwhile, Arendelle was stuck in an endless summer, with melting snow and rivers running dry. Elsa knew they had to act quickly. She called her sister Anna and their friends, but only Elsa and Elena could journey into the mountains to find the jewel. Together, they set off on a grand adventure. Elsa and Elena rode their horses toward the Sky Mountain, a place filled with high cliffs and floating clouds. Elena used her special scepter to guide them through thick fog, while Elsa created ice bridges to cross deep ravines. As they climbed higher, they noticed the weather changing. Strong winds blew, and the sky turned dark. Suddenly, they heard a loud cackle. "You are too late," a voice echoed through the mountains. A shadowy figure appeared. It was an evil sorcerer named Malvado. He had stolen the ice jewel of the sky and used it to shift the seasons however he pleased. "Why are you doing this?" Elena asked bravely. Malvado smirked. "With the power of this jewel, I can make winter last forever. No more scorching summers. No more blazing heat. Only ice and snow." Elsa stepped forward, her hands glowing with icy magic. "The world needs all seasons to stay in balance. You must return the jewel." But Malvado refused and sent a giant snowstorm at them. Elsa quickly created a protective ice shield, and Elena called upon her scepter's light magic. Working together, they pushed forward through the storm. Malvado raised the ice jewel high, making the winds even stronger. Trees froze instantly, and the mountain shook. But Elsa and Elena knew they had to stop him. Elsa used her ice powers to create a slippery path under Malvado's feet. He wobbled and nearly dropped the jewel. Elena leaped forward, using her scepter to blast a warm, golden light at Malvado, making him weak. "No!" Malvado cried as the jewel slipped from his hands. Elena caught it just in time. The jewel shone brightly, and the sky above them started to clear. Malvado tried to run, but Elsa quickly froze his feet to the ground. "You will no longer cause harm to our kingdoms," Elsa said firmly. Elsa and Elena knew they had to return the jewel to its sacred place. They climbed to the highest peak of Sky Mountain, where an ancient pedestal stood. Carefully, they placed the ice jewel of the sky back where it belonged. The moment it settled into place, a magical light spread across the land. The snow in Avalor melted, bringing back its warm, tropical weather. In Arendelle, the cool, gentle breeze returned, ending the long summer. The seasons were balanced once more. With their mission complete, Elsa and Elena smiled at each other. They had proven that courage and teamwork could overcome any challenge. As they made their way home, they knew their friendship had grown even stronger. And so, peace returned to their kingdoms, and the ice jewel of the sky remained safe for many generations to come.